What's up guys, Frank here. I'm gonna take you through a little lap through the shop. We ain't got a whole lot going on today. Too nice out for the guys to be working, so it's been like negative 45 outside. First nice day in a while. We got a 2020 Tacoma. The milkman over here trying to cut the bumper off, put a new bumper on. And behind me here is a little special project we're getting ready to start for my boy Shippy. You know, the one had the bag vet we did the video on not too long ago. Well, this 1950 Merc is about to go too hard. I can't really say too much going on about it. I can post a picture of it, but that's about it. Something else we got going on out here is a good old Chevy Volt. Just so you guys know, we do maintenance. And yes, I said do. Call it out, I don't care. We do everything, front end rebuilds, tires. If you need new struts, rotors, brakes, you name it, hit us up, we'll get you taken care of. Anybody that comes in and says, fuck Brett, and to his face, 15% off, because fuck Brett.